So if you find yourself down at Frank's Landing, off near the Nisqually River, to the left of this image, there's a school. I don't want to put my camera over there because it looks creepy. And then beyond that is a boat ramp. And we'll take a look at that. Well, if you find yourself down on the Nisqually River, I don't even know where I am. I'll have to update that later. But here's a boat ramp that I think is owned probably by a tribe. But man, could you imagine trying to launch into that? You'd have to be a drift boater, I think. Boy, there's some swirly water. But your drift boat would go in, no problem. That is pretty.